Have?
Yeah.
Let me have it.
Do you like making banana bread, Melody?
I don't.
Is it gonna be yummy?
No. Gonna taste your TBN.
Okay.
You ready, your TBN, Mommy?
This is your TPN?
No, this your TBN.
It's my TPN, thank you.
For your things.
Okay. You are a good baker, Melody.
I am a big one. Thank you.
Do you need more flour?
Yeah.
Here's a little more flour.
Nice and puffy.
Nice and puffy, you're right.
Aww. Just a little puppy. I'm gonna change you TBN.
Thank you. Yummy banana bread, Melody.
You're welcome.